Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to edit text in Photoshop without changing background. First of all, open your Photoshop program, then open or import image. See this import image. First of all, remove the text. Select right click on your mouse, magic wand tool, click multiple select, click and select multiple select. You can keep the text or Control Z for duplicate layer. Now see this, keep the text, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift for fix a size. Okay, or best way for remove this, select best way for select, apply the same formula for select or magic wand tool. Then again right click on your mouse, quick selection tool, right click on your mouse, fill content ever, click OK, wait few seconds, press Ctrl D on your keyboard for remove this. Then again create a new layer, select text, type horizontal type tool and text color, select your color as you wish and text size as you wish, Arial black. Okay, then type anything. Okay, press Ctrl T, hold shift, click and drag it, your mouse, press Ctrl, select image, middle, double click, select single text, add that color. Okay, then added drop shadow effects, drop shadow, opacity, distance, size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.